All right, guys, this is my review of the Mr. coffee maker. So I'm just gonna run this right now. This is at an Airbnb I'm staying at. And basically, I'm just gonna run it with you and gonna see what I think about it. I'm a pretty big coffee guy. I like that this Airbnb has some coffee for me. It's already pre-ground, so I think that's kind of sweet, but get that coffee in there. Let's get it. Let's do like 4 scoops. All right, so I got 4 scoops. I'm gonna add some water. Do like 5 cups of water. Go all the way to the top almost. All right, there's that. Pour that water in there. All right. Water's in. Coffee's in. And then that's just going to run the water over the grounds. All right. Let's see how this works. It's starting up right now. We're going to come back at the end, and I'll tell you. You can already hear it starting up. Put the mic up to it so you can kind of hear it going. It's heating up already, so it's getting started. Come back in a couple minutes, and we'll have some coffee. All right, guys. The coffee's complete. Just going to give it a pour. Let it sit for a moment, and then give it a shot. Now, one thing I did want to say is this worked super fast. It's the thing I like about this when you're going different places, especially for like an Airbnb. This is very simple, kind of as simple, almost as simple as what you'd have in a hotel. But I think what you end up in this situation is you end up with higher quality coffee. So, dude, I highly recommend this. Turned out really good. Cheers to good coffee.